he sent me some stuff to review to you guys, and I'm like, oh my god, I made it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. So I am filming on my phone, so if you guys don't mind, but I love the quality. I think it looks bomb. So I am bringing you guys today a review featuring MC Magic's makeup palettes. Yes, he has makeup palettes, girl. If you guys didn't know who MC Magic is, then you don't have just a little bit of hood in you. You don't. I love MC Magic. I know he's really big here in Arizona, of course. That's where he's from, Arizona, and he's also really big in California. So I grew up listening to MC Magic, and also I swear that when I was like in the music industry, when I used to rap and sing, I'm like, one day I'm going to collab with him, even though I didn't, but I did like my little remixes, you know, with his voice and all that. But one thing I did collab with one of his music producers that produced, I think, one of his latest biggest album. I did collab with him, so I'm like, that's how close that I'll get to MC Magic. But look at now, he sent me some stuff to review to you guys, and I'm like, oh my god, I made it. Just playing, you guys, but I was just as excited as how I got Selena's stuff to get MC Magic stuff, which is really, really cool. So let's jump right into this video. So I'm going to show you guys everything that he sent me, starting now with this that says something about you, baby. It's one of his lyrics to his music. And then this is MC Magic. It has some information about him that says MC Magic, founder of nastyboyrecords.com. And it just says a little message to his supporters. So he also sent me this cute mirror. How freaking cute. It's like a little heart. It says Magic City with his name right here. And then one is magnetic, and then the other one is the normal side. He also sent me two pens. One's Natalie's now, one's mine. They are so freaking cute. It says MC Magic, and they are little diamonds. They are so freaking cute, aren't they? They're like so bougie, so cute. So now on to the palettes, girls. So the first one is the Lost in Love palette, you guys. In the back it says MC Magic, Lucky Lashes and Cosmetics. I think that's the company that he is collaborating with to create this for you guys. This is like an old school G gangster graphic, and then look at the colors, the shadows. I mean, they're so freaking pretty. They're so neutral, so beautiful. You can create so many looks. So I am bringing you guys, like I said, 2 makeup looks in this video. And the packaging, I forgot to tell you guys about the packaging, is the same thing as the graphic, and the same thing. So freaking dope. Now the second palette is the Sexy Lady. How freaking cute is this? In the back it says, thank you, my music has always been making the ladies feel beautiful and pretty and special. I think in many ways makeup does the same thing. How dope is that? This was shot downtown here in Phoenix. It's this just reminds me of Arizona, the sunset. So how freaking dope. Oh my god, so freaking cool. So look at the shadows on this ones. They are so out there, so pigmented. But girl, don't be scared, because look what I created. Yes, with this Sexy Lady palette, I created this look, which is so freaking beautiful and so neutral at the same time. I wanted to create something neutral and wearable. So if you guys want me to mess around with the glitters in here or the purples, let me know, comment down below, and I got you, girl. So let's jump right into this makeup tutorials for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's jump right into this tutorial.
So here's how the packaging looks, like I showed you guys. And the shadows, let me tell you, they are completely pigmented, girl. There is fallout and glitter, but obviously there's always going to be fallout and glitter. So I am starting out with Forever, applying that with a blending brush all over my crease, and then I'm going to grab Por Vida and applying that under that Forever color, and then using Fine Wine, which is like a wine color, and applying that all over the lid. And then taking this tape off. I know I should use something else, but I just want to use that. And then I'm applying again Forever on the bottom of my lash line. And also I'm grabbing Por Vida. Then I'm going to cut the crease with a concealer. Taking your time. Make sure you take that time, girl, to cut the crease little by little. I cut the crease. I'm adding perfection. I think you should add this shadow with your finger. It just looks smoother and it's more pigmented. So as you guys see right here, I'm doing it with my finger, and then I'm just going to keep on adding the shade Forever just to make it look nice and clean at the top. And then right here I'm adding Kisses, which is a glitter, so be careful when you apply it close to your eye. And there you guys have the completed look, such a natural, neutral, everyday makeup look. Moving on to the Sexy Lady palette, the shadows right here are so out there. They're so pigmented, so I did not know what to create, but I got it. Hey, I got it. So I am starting off with Sabor, and then I'm just going to apply that all over the crease, girl, all over the crease. And with the same brush, I am going to dip in Fine. I think it's Fine or Mine. Let me look. Mine. It's Mine. So I'm going to grab Mine, and right here, as you guys see, I was cleaning it. So I'm going to grab Mine, and this one, girl, this one is like an electric orange. It's so beautiful. They're so pigmented, as you see, there's no fallout. So I was really pleased with that. Then I am grabbing for the outer corner Brown Eyes, and I'm just going to apply it on the outer corner, bringing it towards the inner corner of my eye. And after that, I'm just going to grab the same orange colors that I started with, applying it at the bottom, and then ending it with that beautiful Brown Eyes shadow just to balance everything out, making it look nice. And then I'm going to just cut the crease with some concealer and then adding Shorty. Shorty is the same thing as I was talking to you guys about the other one. Make sure you apply it with your finger so it can look really pigmented. Then I'm just going to finish it off with Brown Eyes just to make everything balanced and nice and blended. And there you guys have the final look. This look just reminds me of fall. A latte, a coffee is just really pretty on a brown eye girl. So make sure if you guys want to see the purple one, let me know down below.
So if you have made it this far, please comment down below your favorite song. Comment down below your favorite song. I'll let you guys know down below mine, because I don't think I can put them here because I probably get copywritten. But also I uploaded some quick little makeup tutorials on Instagram for you guys to watch them. I'm going to do my best here, you guys, to upload more on YouTube. It's just so hard when you put so much effort and dedication and time and you don't see the views, the comment. It's like, what the hell? Like, I know there's something wrong with my channel. I know it hit some type of, how do you say it? Something, it hit something. And that is possible that my channel is not growing like it should be. So I'm gonna try my best. Maybe it's my fault, maybe because I'm not uploading frequently like I should, but girl, I'm gonna try my best. So make sure you guys give this a big thumbs up, comment down below, because that is what just keeps me up. Like, I'm like, if I see your comments and I see your likes, I'm like, okay, they want to see more of me. So please, you guys, comment down below, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.